Shashi from the British Council, here with you today at Robi 10-Minute School. Are you a working professional? If you are, how do you communicate? Face-to-face or online? Most people communicate online nowadays. Digital Bangladesh. So, do you have to write an email every day? If you do, then this video is for you. Today's topic is writing emails the 3 W's. Quick, I'll give you 5 seconds. Guess, what are the 3 W's? Ready? Go. Did you guess? What, who, and when. And these have to do with an action. For example, what? What action must be done? You have to mention that in your email. There are 3 people who can take that action. What action do you promise to take? What action does your reader promise to take? Or what action does person X promise to take? This brings us to who. Who are the people who are going to take the action? You, your reader, or person X. And then, by when. So when do you promise to take the action? Or when does the reader? Or when does a separate person, person X, decide to take action? Let's practice. Can you identify what the action is? Send your application. That's the action. Who? Your reader is going to send you. By when? That's simple. 19th June. This is tricky. Before. Prepositions before the dates are important. So it has to be before 19th June. So 18th or 17th or 16th. Okay, let's do some more practice. What? Send meeting minutes. Who? I'll, person writing, everyone in the team. When? 23rd March. You can be more specific and give a time. By 5 p.m. Okay? Deadlines are very important. Let's practice some more deadlines and find out what's good, what's bad. Here are a few examples. Try and guess which ones are and which ones are. I'll give you 10 seconds. Okay, time up. First one, good or bad? It's bad. Why? Working days are different in different countries and different companies. Sometimes people's working days are 5 days. Some places there's 6 working days. From Sunday to Friday, or from Monday to Thursday, so 4 days. Changes from place to place. This one? Too vague. As soon as possible. For me, it could be 5 minutes. For that person, it could be 2 days. By this Friday. This is good. Why? Because of this word. This. Upcoming Friday. All of these, at least these 2, vague, and this one has the same problem as this one. End of the week could be Thursday, could be Friday, could be Wednesday, according to different companies. Great, so let's recap. What did we do today? The 3 W's. The 3 W's are what, who, and when. There's a lot more to come with writing emails, so please stay tuned and have a great day. That's all for today. Thank you.